Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically get a Scarab. Its traits is that spooky type plants within 32 to 60 sets have 0.32 to 0.64 times increased growth size. It is an uncommon pet, and you can get it via the spooky chest. And yeah, that's pretty much what it does. Again, it is an uncommon pet, so the ability's not the best, but yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!